Need quick cash but want to hold on to your crypto? CoinRabbit might be your answer. This platform offers simple crypto loans, using your digital assets as collateral. Keep control of your crypto with their non-custodial lending model. No worries about platform hacks or losing your assets. Borrow stablecoins like USDT or USDC, avoiding the ups and downs of Bitcoin or Ethereum. No credit checks required, making borrowing easy and accessible. Simply deposit your crypto, choose your loan amount, and you're done. Loan-to-value ratios are competitive, up to 50% of your collateral's worth, protecting both borrowers and lenders. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more are accepted as collateral. Repayment is simple and automatic, no hidden fees. Looking for passive income? Lend your crypto on CoinRabbit and earn interest with flexible terms. Fast, automated loans make it easy. CoinRabbit, simple, secure lending with transparent terms and speedy processing. Check the description for links and more information.